So today we got a new Land Rover that was delivered. Bought it sight unseen. We're told it came out of our property that was lived on, brand new, since new in Mississippi. Haven't looked at it today. It's not one of these. This is our full Himalaya builds. It's got our modern drivetrain, fully custom. The mission today is kind of a first look at this old Land Rover. I believe it's a 1964 Series 2A, and we got to decide, is it going to become one of these? Is it better just to do a service and get it down the road and let somebody else enjoy it, or do we want to use it for a full restoration? So I'm going to bring Nicholas into the fold. He's our head of the preservations group, and that team, we do not build this. On that team, we keep old Land Rovers alive. Pure restoration, service, some modifications, but really focus on the original drivetrain. So a little different mission than the true Himalaya full custom build, but let's take a look. Now the mission, find Nicholas. So over here you'll see service and restoration going on original Series 2 and 3 Land Rovers at the moment. These are vehicles that we're keeping alive. Most of these would be some level of a family heirloom, something that's been in the family a long time. If you look at them, there's stories, which each and every one of these, which are really interesting. So a little different than our full modern builds, but something that we do really well and something we're really proud of. Have you seen Nicholas?
No.
No? Was he just here? Did you? There he is. There he is. All right, Nicholas. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's check this thing out. So I'm told it was a one owner in Mississippi, same family, workhorse on the property. Came with a trailer, which is a benefit.
Yeah, for sure.
So we got to decide, obviously, if we're cleaning this up, sending it down the road for somebody to enjoy, or if it's going to be a parts vehicle for a full build. Have you had a chance to look at it? Have you looked at it already?
Checking, and chassis looks straight.
I told the chassis
not
was in good
critical
condition.
rust spots. Just the transmission cross member that it's a little bit rusted and bent, but nothing major related to the chassis, and suspension actually looks complete.
So me and Nicholas are going to look at different things, by the way. For me, I go right to that front bumper and winch. And they're like, just such cool Land Rover little piece of history. Somebody probably made this in their barn out back. You see a lot of these in the old school Land Rovers in the outback and different things. I was watching a video from a great group down in Australia last week, and they were showing where they hang water bags on here. So in the outback, you got cool water. Maybe Zach can cut to some cool photos of the canvas bags on there. But that winch,
sure.
I mean, that's like,
yeah, and they installed it and they reinforced the bumper, so they were trying to make it stronger.
yeah, like I said, I was told this thing was a workhorse on a property since brand new. So it's always fun to see what they were doing with it. And then
this winch is driven by the engine, but it's missing a couple parts. It doesn't have the small shaft to connect to the crankshaft.
What do we got? We got an engine, most importantly. I'm not quite sure about this trailer.
Yeah, this is a proper Series 2. Yeah, in all its condition, the stock radiator, dynamo, all those cabs. Missing.
Classic Series 2A. We haven't discussed our 1-ton project just yet, but this is a, they made quite a few of these. So from that perspective, nothing special, and they're very special, but
yeah.
The chassis looks pretty clean though, which is exciting.
Yeah.
Engine's all complete, it's all there.
Yeah. How's the interior looking?
I mean, pretty clean. Bulkhead's in good shape.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Look at these doors. They're brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little beat up on the side. Looks like someone, I sneak peeked a photo of it. Looks like someone may have put a forklift through the other side.
Really? Oh, like in the seal.
We could probably, obviously we could source something.
Yeah, but look at this seat boxes.
It's nice. Original paint, which is exciting. That always gets me going.
Yeah.
A little bit of some patina on the back here.
Yeah.
Somebody had plans for it because it's packed with parts. Take that off later. It's got what's left of the original elephant hide vinyl seats, a gun rack, just proper for a Series 2. A little shotgun in there. And
Yeah.
Nicholas's favorite thing.
I like
parts.
this. Yeah.
This is your favorite part. This is like
For
kid in
sure.
a candy store right here.
Yeah.
There's some potential in these boxes, which is exciting, or it just means all the problems this truck does have, and they had to buy a ton of parts to
Probably.
keep it. But somebody had big plans for it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll put I don't know, Nicholas. I think this one for me is you work your magic, get it going down the road, and this is a survivor.
Yeah, it's consistent. Look, this brand new gasket kit.
It's always fun to see what you'll find in these things, man. Yeah, wiper motors, door hinges. We were just talking about door hinges.
Yeah.
We need door. Oh yeah, we'll put all this stuff together. Some good stuff in here.
It's the first time that I see the door lock in one of these trucks.
Is that a lock?
It's broken, but yeah, it is the inner door lock.
You don't see that often, do you?
Yeah, no.
A little bit of an upgrade. But yeah, you got a couple extra wiper motors in there, which are always tricky to find. The actual original door hinges. Looks like I got a whole set.
Yeah.
Pair of Birkenstocks. Yeah, what's fun is just seeing you use all these parts,
And like that rack that they put.
The gun rack. I don't know if it's still socially acceptable to put a shotgun on the back, but I do think it would look cool. An old vintage shotgun on there. Is that a problem? You got brand new glass in here too, Nicholas.
Yeah.
I bet you. Oh man, what is this?
Yeah, there's a lot of parts
lot of
here that
stuff in here.
probably came from another donor or another truck.
Yeah, you got all the gaskets and everything to do the top. Yeah, it's my new favorite truck. Yeah. We do have a casualty back here though, Nicholas. Little baby
Nice.
casualty. Zach, we had the chicken coop truck this past year. I don't know if that's a mouse or a little baby mole. Whatever it is, it didn't make it. Poor little guy. Final resting spot. Dude, Nicholas, big cat guy. Little lunch for your cat, Nicholas. It's exciting. No?
No, probably.
But some brand new stuff in here, genuinely. There's some great parts in here.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta make sure the team doesn't strip it and make it a parts truck.
Yeah, we
Gotta
have to make sure.
Put a fence around this thing. We keep the aftermarket exhaust. I love the use of the PTO hole there. Haven't seen that before. Honestly, like when you find these things, that's for me is what gets exciting. Every one of them has some sort of field fix.
Yeah.
There's always something. Now, this is a new one.
Yeah, that's a
Put it out of there. Haven't seen that before. Maybe you have.
No.
Well, like genuinely, original paint body. It's got some Bondo on the front wing, but
yeah.
as you know, I probably overused term, but patina. When you think about the original paint and the aluminum wearing through, I mean, there's really not a better vehicle that lends well to patina, in my opinion, than a 1960s Land Rover. And the bulkhead is, although surface rust, I mean, it's solid.
Yeah. There's nothing critical. This is perfect. This is incredible. Yeah, it's missing the engine doesn't have mounted the distributor cap. They have a brand new distributor there.
Brand new exhaust. I mean, you got a few things in that box, man.
Yeah.
You got some stuff to play with.
It has a lot of repairs with aluminum weld.
Yeah, you don't see that often.
No.
The other side looks like it was fairly recent, but I'm sure we can have, one of our donor trucks, we can find a matching sill.
Yeah.
And see if we can get a set and just replace it. We could keep that one, maybe just straighten it up a bit.
Yeah, and that panel cut it, all these spot welds. A bunch of them. Those are those tiny holes.
They're gonna replace it probably.
How clean is the cross member?
Yeah, the cross members are really prone to corrosion, so a lot of times people cut those out, but they rot out there often. That one's probably as clean as they get, assuming it is original.
Yeah, but all the shackles, the chassis bushings, looks great. This truck looks like it was running, always doing the job, and it just...
Yeah, I think the gentleman that owned it came to the end of his life, so then I think it sat. So like any of these things, they like to be driven. Get them out on the road, get it back, fix it up a little bit, and somebody else can keep it going. For me though, the exhaust, although there's a brand new exhaust in there, we're keeping that. I'm a simple man, and that's what gets me excited this morning, that exhaust.
Yeah.
That's as if someone said, Greg, can you build the exhaust system? I go, got this, guys. Run it through this special hole in the back. For those that don't know, that's the PTO hole in the back.
Yeah.
Which you can run all sorts of fun equipment out of, and they have one on the front as well. That's where that's powering that winch on the front. But these were workhorses, so you'd see wood chippers and all kinds of farm equipment running out the back. Yeah. You don't often see people running them, but obviously the winches are popular. But we haven't really, not too many winches that have been working.
No.
It'd be fun to get this one working. All the levers, everything's in the dash. Actually.
Yeah, it has all the connections.
Bring it back to its original glory. So we'll keep this one going.
Yeah, for sure.
We can't strip this truck.
No.
You gotta keep this. This one deserves another chance. I'll get the heritage certificate. What's that?
A couple hours we'll be running.
Little fuel, a little spark. We'll be going down there. I'll drive this thing home for dinner. Maybe some new tires. We'll think about that. But we'll get the heritage certificate, figure out what it is. I'm told it's a 1964, but it'd be interesting to see if it went to a dealership in Mississippi where they bought it. We could see all that fun information. But this is a solid find, and it came with a trailer. So
came with the trailer. That's great.
Can't beat it. I think this one's a great one. Honestly, get the winch going again and keep it as is.
Yeah.
Keep the hard top on it. Damn, I'm falling in love with this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it.
We will have to just check that the engine is.
All right. Let's focus on the important stuff, the aesthetic of it, Nicholas. I'm sure you can get the engine running.
Yeah. But it is looking good.
It's there to some degree. And we got a lot of boxes to go through, so.
Yeah.
Successful one. We have a Series 2A coming. We just got our very unique project, the 1 ton that we're gonna do a video on. We gotta drag that one out of storage and so we can get some proper photos of it. That'll be an exciting one too.
Yeah, for sure.
Exciting.